Well, apparently it's that time again. The Grundig has eaten another belt. A while ago I made a video about how to swap these out and made a complete fool of myself by taking basically the entire mechanism apart just to swap some belts over, until one very kind and knowledgeable person pointed out that that wasn't necessary at all. There is a small flap you need to remove, and that saves you of a whole lot of trouble. And I just want to quickly point out how to properly change out these belts without, risking wrecking the entire thing. So here's the belt which has given up, obviously. And this is the main issue here, is how to get the belt around the capstan. And for that, we'll just flip the entire thing on its back and remove the back cover. And that unveils the little flap right there. And if you take that off, and you've got access to the lower capstan bearing, and that's where you can thread your belt around. There you go. That's the capstan right there. Now first we'll have to remove this belt right here, which, it's done its fair bit of service, so we'll take that and replace it at 2. It's still a bit fiddly, don't get me wrong. We'll have to switch around the other side again and grab this belt from this side here, and then there's this brake at the side which has to thread around. There's belt number 2. Belt number 3 is just the counter. And it still looks good. It doesn't have to really transmit any loads, so we'll leave it where it is. And now we'll take the largest belt first and wedge it in between here. Let me get the tripod. This one needs to go around this motor pulley here. Then around this heavy flywheel here. The hardest part is just to guide this belt onto where it's supposed to ride, and then convince it to stay there, which obviously it doesn't want to, but it's kind of got to if I want to listen to music in the shop. And there you go. That's the first part done, and then around the motor pulley here. There you go. Now it rides once around the whole deal. The capstan bearing here, to get it threaded around this big heavy spool here. So we'll go around this piece here and then around the brake. There we go. Now we'll have to push it underneath the flywheel and then persuade it underneath the capstan again. There we go. Boom! And now we can close the back up. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.